to my channel. And here I'm going to construct a triangle when we are given the base angle and the perimeter of the triangle. Alright, so let me read the question that I'm going to use because I have the question on my laptop. The question says a triangle ABC has length of a side AB 65 millimeters, base angle 75 degree and a perimeter of 175 millimeters. Construct the triangle and draw a circumscribed circle to it. I'll read the question again. A triangle ABC has length of a side AB 65 millimeters, base angle 75 degree and a perimeter of 175 millimeters. Construct the triangle and draw a circumscribed circle to it. That is the question. So now let's go and see how this problem can be solved. So the first thing that we need to do is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line here like this, and on this horizontal line I'm going to take a measurement of 65 millimeters. Okay, so we have this point, and then here is 65 millimeters. So I'm going to label this point as point A, and then this is point B here. Okay, now we are going to construct angle 75 degree at point A here, and for us to get angle 75 degree, we are going to add 15 degree to 60 degree, and that will make it 75 degree. Now let's see how that angle can be made. So we put the pinpoint of the compass at this point A here, and we extend the compass to a convenient radius. This is okay for me. Then I'm going to draw a semicircle. So here we draw a semicircle. Okay, so I will need to extend this horizontal line so that it can intersect the semicircle. We need it to intersect the semicircle. So I will extend it to this side. Okay, all right. So now with the radius that we use to draw this semicircle, we put it at this point on the semicircle. So where the semicircle touch the horizontal line AB, then we make an arc here on this semicircle. So the angle from here to here is 60 degree. So now we need to add 15 degree to this 60 degree to make it 75 degree, and to do that, so we need to divide this semicircle, which is 180, into two equal parts so that we can have 90 on this side and we have 90 here, and then we'll be able to add 15 degree to this 60. So how do we do that? Put the pinpoint of the compass here at this point here, and then extend the pen point to a convenient radius. You draw an arc here, and then put it at this point here. Okay, put it at this point, then you draw an arc. Okay, so we are going to draw a line through the point intersection of the arcs from point A, and it goes like this. Alright, so we have this. Now the angle from here to here on this semicircle is 30 degree. So we are going to bisect this 30 degree. We are going to divide the 30 degree into two so that we can get that 15 that we have to add to 60 degrees. So we draw an arc here, putting the midpoint at this point on the semicircle where the arc touches the semicircle. So we draw an arc like this. Just take it easy. Then next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a line from point A through the point of intersection of the arcs, and it goes like this. Alright, so we have this angle here. So this angle from here to here, or just let me make it, so just let me okay, so from here to here, from this point here, okay, from this point here to this point here, so the angle is 75 degrees. So let's write it there. So this angle is 75 degrees. So that is done. Now, so what we are going to do now is that we need to extend this line. We need to extend this line that gives us that angle 75 degrees. Extend it. So we are going to locate point D on this line that comes out from A here. So we are going to locate point D on the line. And how do we do that? So to locate point D, so you subtract the base which is 65 millimeters from the given perimeter. The given perimeter is 175 millimeters and the base is 65 millimeters. So subtract 65 from 175 and that will give us 110. That will give us 110. So what we have to do is that we take a measurement of 110 millimeters here on this line. So 110 millimeters on this line, and this is 110 here. Here is 110. So I'm going to call this point, I will call it point D. Okay, so this is point D here. Alright, so we are going to join BD together. Join BD together. So we join BD together like this. Alright, so now the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to bisect BD. Sorry, we are going to bisect AD. So we bisect AD, and to do that, so we take the compass. Okay, so put the midpoint of the compass here at point A, then extend to a convenient radius more than half of AD. So you draw an arc here, and then we draw an arc here like this. Okay, so let me bring it here a bit. Then put it at this point D here, and we make an arc here, and then make an arc here. Alright, so we join, or we draw the bisector of AD. So join the point of intersection of the arcs together. Okay, so and it goes like this. Alright, so we have this. So this point where this bisector of the line AD touches this line, so is point C. So we have point C here. So this is point C. So then we are going to join BC together. So we join BC together with a straight line to form the triangle. So we draw like this. Okay. Then so AC, so we make it a thick line. Okay. This is it. Then AB, we also make it a thick line. So the required triangle is triangle ABC that we have constructed here. Alright, so then we are not done with the question. The question says that we should draw a circumscribed circle to this triangle. So that is a circle that will touch the three vertices of the triangle. That is vertex A, vertex C, and vertex B. Okay, so how do we do that? So you have to bisect any two sides that you like. Bisect any two sides that you like to draw a circumscribed circle to this triangle, and let's see how that can be done. So I'm bisecting side AB and side BC. Side AB and side BC. So I will put the midpoint of my compass here at point B. Then extend the compass to convenient radius. So we draw an arc here, and we draw it here. So you need to watch very well. Then we put it at point B. So let me extend this arc. So I need to extend it a bit because of what I'm looking at. So put at point B. So draw an arc here. And then, so I need to come back here. I need to extend this. Okay, so putting at point B here. So we draw this arc. Okay. Alright, so this intersect at this point. I've bisected line AB. So they intersect at this point. So I'm going to draw a line through the point of intersection of the arcs like this. Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to bisect BC. So putting the point of my compass at point C here and extend to a convenient radius. So I draw an arc here. We have so many lines now. So we have so many lines with many arcs. So we draw like this. Alright, so then I will put it at point B here. At point B, so I draw an arc here and I draw an arc here. So I can see where they intersect. So I can see where they intersect. So we have this point. Okay. Then we also have this point here. Alright, so I'm going to join the point of intersection of the arcs together like this. So we have it here like this. Alright, so the two bisectors, they intersect at this point here. So this is the point where they intersect. So I'm going to call this point, I'm going to call it point O. That is where they intersect. So now I will put the pinpoint of my compass here at point O here. Then I will extend it to point B, okay, to point B or point C or point A. So then I can go ahead now and draw the circle. I can go ahead and draw the circle. So alright, so I'm trying to adjust. So I can go ahead now and draw the circle. So it goes like this. Alright, so this is the circumscribed circle that we asked to draw. Okay, so it's as simple as I've done here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at it. Thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.